Why?
No.
Apparently it's in America. Okay.
Oh, we're defending.
Give me that shit.
I didn't get to buy the skin yet. Diva yet. God damn it.
Well, she's gonna have it, so. There's no way anyone that's playing Diva today won't have the skin.
And watch as this Diva doesn't have the skin.
There's no way anyone that's playing Diva today won't have the skin.
Jesus, I'm already lost.
Nice.
Alright. Oh, this is main point?
Yeah, it's a hybrid.
Holy crap, it's so freaking long.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la.
Where does this spawn? Down there?
Let me check.
Yeah, it's right there. Okay.
Yeah, this spawn down
Right.
there. This is a big ass hole, choke point.
Nice.
What's that shit flying in the sky? Can I shoot that? Alright. I need healing.
Oh, no,
I'm
there
gonna
isn't.
get killed.
Oh, there it is.
Nice shot, dumbass.
Yo, is this person fucking retarded?
Nice shooting, son. What's your name?
Jerry?
Hi there.
Where's behind us?
I don't know where health packs are, so I'm just gonna die here.
Yeah.
yeah.
I will not allow my comrades to die. That is absolute.
God. The ball didn't get to me. Whoa!
It's all skill.
I should have dodged that too.
My daughter!
Oh, we're good at this game. Let's play some Hearthstone.
Fuck plants. Oh, look, it's a statue of Tarbjorn and Guy. And oh, look, it's Ash. Holy shit, I can't hit anything. Got him. I don't even know where the heck I'm going.
Where are the health packs? Oh, the health pack over there.
Genji is like half. Yeah. Man, that's unfortunate. Yeah, Doogie.
Alright.
Hallelujah.
Hey, we got it.
How's that not his head? Ooh. Oh god, are we all dead? No. It's just me. Of course. Fuck the payload. Chase the guy that's sprinting away. Oh, 360? Bang. I'm just kidding, fuck you.
I'm gonna snipe while I'm on this.
Okay, go ahead, do it. If you can get a kill while on that, I'll give you $1. Oh, I can't hit this woman.
Are you fuck?
Hey. Get fucking shut down.
Oh. Oh, spicy.
Oh shit.
No.
Yo, Mer
Oh, he's won. I can't hit him. There we go.
Oh, thanks.
Faro's won to the same side where she keeps flanking.
Wait, what?
I don't know what the hell
Did
that
you
was.
see that?
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Oh my god, get the
Oh,
hell out of here,
right,
idiot!
sweet.
Oh. Yay, finally hit the loot box. Get out of loot box.
Oh, yeah. Wait, how many times have we played this?
Too many
like
times.
4 times already?
5.
5?
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Wait, why is it
Oh.
why is it her play? I got a 3. Okay, she got 3 too, I think. No? She got 2. Oh, she got the
Oh,
Valkyrie
okay.
Mercy though, that's pretty good.
2. I got crap.
Come on, what I get? Oh crap, yes!
And then I get...
The new Reaper.
Actually, no. This is actually kind of nice.
And then the next one is $5 million! It's purple? Money, okay.